Welcome to our AI-tailored feature. Let us guide you through our AI print and artwork design tool. First, click on a print or artwork type that you would like to use. Then choose your input for your later generated images. You can either choose between your own before uploaded data, current trends, or competitors. After that, click on Order Design. When your designs are successfully generated, you can click here to see it, to get access to your images. You will now see different design packs with your previously chosen print or artwork type. Click on Design More to get lead to your generated images. On the left side, you will see your past designs, which you can either hide or show. You are also able to rename your current generated designs. Choose one or more from your designs by clicking the little box symbol about every image. The selected image or images can now be saved to your My Data or can also be added to your My Collection files. Another opportunity is to click on Design More to generate more designs based on your previously selected images.